So this is the Suzuki DR-Z4SM. It's a very long, complicated name, but I think of this as both an off-road and an on-road bike. So it is supermoto sort of style. You can't really get both your feet down. You have to be like this, or you have to be like this. Um, Switch gear is pretty basic. There would be for a 400cc bike, and clutch is really lightweight, wicked light, and so that's pretty good. And it makes you think it's like a hydraulic clutch. It's so light. Fuel is pretty easy to get to. The oil cap is a lot like if you've ever had a Yamaha XT660. Some of the fuel is stored in it. Some of the oil is stored in the frame, and some of the oil is stored in the engine. So this makes it a little bit awkward to get to. But this is a very light bike. This is a good bike for getting into motorcycling. It's a fun bike because it's both on and off-road capable, and a 400cc bike which will give you amazing fuel economy. And colour scheme is pretty nice for a 400cc bike.